बहुत simple सा soup है जी. In the book, I don't emphasize so much on aphrodisiacs. I emphasize a lot on mythology of food, love stories, real life love stories. And there are a few very very funny things about इलायची यूज होगी अभी डिजर्ट में. इलायची का idea I got it from the movie Fire, in which Nandita Das, she just takes illachi and eats it in one. But that was a beautiful definition of love. So I put that little thing. The stories from Greece mythology, Indian mythology of course, Cleopatra. But I figured out that all those things somehow lead to food. So when we say cook with your heart, we repeat that too much in India especially. So here is what I'm saying, cook for your heart. So I'm just saying that someone who controls your heart, everything about your life. You know, it's a good thing to surprise them with a small cooking which you can do. If not, you can always buy my book. It sounds so bad after talking about these things. I say, "I'll put kitab with very." It's what Roshina does. It's more of a message of love than actually a project from us. That's more important. That keeps us going, even in the gloomy nights and there's no light. That passion keeps you going further. एक सूप है जी बटरनट स्क्वाश का सूप है. बहुत सिंपल सा सूप है. इसकी हमें बटरनट स्क्वाश है not easily available till Roshina becomes big in India. We will have all this spaghetti squash and butternut squash everywhere. But till then we're going to use kaddu. Kaddu is an interesting, I think it's an interesting thing, and we will never ever emphasize so much of kaddu ka soup. I thought that was very interesting. And here's the sensibility of using a wooden spatula. Of course. Little butter. With butter you always have to be careful because butter has a very low smoking point. To that we are adding shallots. I'm adding cinnamon to this, dedicated to, I can't pronounce his name. He's a very very big poet who came from Canada. So there's a poem of he falls in love with a farmer which grows cinnamon. It's called Cinnamon Peeler's Daughter, and he falls in love with the daughter. And he says that all he remembers of her it was the smell of cinnamon. So I said, no, let cinnamon be part of the khanna soup.
I think cinnamon is a really nice soft spice mix in everywhere.
I think cinnamon की interesting बात है कि cinnamon में एक मिठास है, बहुत prominent मिठास है इसकी, जो हम deny नहीं कर सकते. It's somehow about it. In Western world, it's very festive. In India, it's very much part of our whole mix of the garam masalas and everything. Smaller cubes, easier to cook, faster to cook. I'm a person who does not believe so much in salt in food. I know I'm wrong, and people tell me all the time. I'm not a person who says salt should be added in all the cooking processes. If I said that to my old grandmother, like she's not there anymore, and then in France we rush our cooking process by adding salt in pyaz, she'll kill me. She said no, water actually drains the water, like salt actually drains all the water from the salt, from the onion, and actually gives it less time to caramelize. आप सूप में देखना एक मिठास है, इसको इतनी मिठास की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि इसमें कद्दू है, and which is already a very sweet ingredient. But I do think that you can add now at a very soft stage like this, you can add your favorite spices to it too. But I think in this, vegetable should be the king. In all my cooking, you will understand that I don't like to overpower the hero, which is actually the vegetable of the dish. अगर next dish भी है, so we will only have the main ingredient to have all the flavors. So kaddu gets little bit softened. You've got to cook it for at least 3 to 4 minutes. I'm on medium high heat because I have less fear of burning. But अगर आपको लगता है डर है, थोड़ा सा पानी का छौंका दे सकते हैं. But actually, if you don't add water to it instantly, you actually start caramelizing all the juices, all the sugars from pumpkin, which is fantastic.
Kurma also roasted in the oven.
100%. This was actually a leftover dish from Thanksgiving in my house, where Thanksgiving was huge, but we had a lot of roasted squashes. So they all go in one pot, add a little stock, simmer it, puree it. Next day morning you have a refreshing new idea of little new dish added to it. Don't worry about this burning, it kills you. Don't worry about this. I will deglaze this. Deglaze, मेरे को पता नहीं था, फ्रांस जाके सीखा मैंने word. Deglazing, I'll deglaze with little stock or water, whatever you want to add to it. One of my chefs does this recipe with orange juice. At this time, he will add orange juice to it. Little water, half orange juice, half water, and let it boil. Fresh orange juice. Now what this water is doing now, this is a vegetable stock. Recipes आपके पास है तो अंदाजे की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, but हिंदुस्तान में अंदाजा ही चलता है. I can't help it. you get scolded for giving too many instructions on ingredients, size and shapes. Here they don't like it. They say, डाल दो यार, वही है. But I love it actually. I think somehow.
I think it's very important to have things cut right.
Teacher ji.
Just makes things look nice.
It's true. It's true. I don't want to lie about this. That when you're running a Michelin star restaurant, the look is almost 30% of the game. Generally, technically, look is 20% of the food. It's the smell, it's the whole moment, it's everything. And last is flavor, which is actually the highest number of degrees. But Indian food is totally based on taste. We can have a dal which doesn't look very appealing as you plate it, but a dal is the comfort food which me and my mom can eat every single night. We are that boring.
No, I'm like that. I love that. It's my favorite.
आप अगर चाहते हैं कि इसमें थोड़े टमाटर डालें, टमाटर भी डाल सकते हैं. But see what Roshina said, that kaddu is a winter vegetable. Why would I combine it with a summer vegetable, which is tomatoes? Done, ji. Bring it to a boil. Cover. Reduce the heat to medium, and let it simmer.